Hi group, I'd like to make a quick video about meditation. Hi, my name is Machula. I'm a spiritual teacher. I'm also a spiritual regression hypnotherapist. In all my sessions, I take clients up to the spiritual realm for healing. I find these to be the most impactful, enriching sessions that I've ever experienced as a hypnotherapist. So if you want to learn more, if you want to, as a hypnotherapist, want to grow, if you want to learn how to do this, please reach out and listen to these videos. My meditation journey started off by basically learning meditation through a number of ways. Now, I'll explain to you the 4 ways that are there to learn meditation. Number 1, you can meditate with like a blank mind. Another way to meditate is with an om, right? A sound. Another way to meditate is with a mantra. And then the 4th way to meditate, which I found the most powerful and the most expansive, is by doing spiritual journey. And here I'll explain the 4 different ways of meditation so that you can understand why I chose spiritual journeys and the benefits and drawbacks of each type of meditation. Obviously, meditation is very important. In all my spiritual experiences that I've had, the divine comes in with telling clients that they need to meditate. I can't believe how many times this is. And then we specifically ask them how long they need to meditate. In my one of my first Life Between Lives experiences, I asked how long do I need to meditate? And they told me I need to meditate close to 2 hours per day, which is a long period of time. And I tried to meditate this with having nothing in my mind, and it was practically almost impossible. Because for the longest time, I'm sitting there just going absolutely crazy with thoughts coming in and out of my mind. So for every single client, the divine was coming in and saying, you need to meditate. You want to get rid of stress? You need to meditate. You want to become less anxious? You need to meditate. You want to get rid of your depression? You need to meditate. And we would ask how many minutes we would need to meditate. And meditation came in from 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Everybody's unique. Everybody has their own specific need. Now, what is meditation? Meditation is brain calisthenics, so that you can understand that, okay? Just like, for example, you need to exercise your body, you need to go for a walk to get that serotonin levels happening, you also need to meditate. This is so important. Also, spiritually, meditation is a way of listening. So it's a way to listen to God, the creator, if you'd like. So to give you an example, when you go to church, when you go to temple, you pray. And what is prayer? Prayer is talking to God. And what is meditation? Meditation is listening to God. So what does that mean? I'll give you an example. If you're married or if you have children, imagine a relationship where all you do is talk, where you never listen to the concerns or feedback from the other party. What kind of relationship is this? So what happens is that during prayer, you're sending out these thoughts. Help me with my health. Help my family. Help this, help that. I want to get into school. I want to get a better job. All these requests are coming in and being sent up to the heavens. And then you're hoping for an answer, and hopefully maybe you'll get one. You maybe even recognize the answer, but you're not listening. Through meditation, you quiet your mind and you start listening. So I started off with my Rodent Meditation of meditating with nothing in my mind. And I found this extremely difficult. Thoughts were coming in, and I put myself on this 30-day kind of goal of meditating every day with nothing in my mind. I found this difficult. I found this boring. I could only last up to 30 minutes at a time, because after that, I felt at times refreshed, but there was nothing happening in my body. It was just like quieting my mind, and that was fine. And for some people, this is perfect. This is all they need for meditation. But I have a very inquisitive mind, and I started to learn more, and I wanted to learn more. So then I implemented a meditation with sound. Now, the Om sound, the Om, is a way to meditate as well. Om, or Christians call it Amen, is a sound that permits you to meditate through sound vibration. It's very uplifting. It helps in eliminating intrusive thoughts coming into your mind. Again, you have to just repeat that sound over and over again, but it doesn't permit you to grow. It doesn't permit you to create. You're just really, really focused. And it works on focusing your mind as well, to focus in on that sound. So I did that again for 30 days, and I found I was getting stagnant. I was bored. How many times can you say the same sound? Do you go to a different sound? Do you go to a lower sound? How do these sounds affect each other? What if you choose another sound? What happens? So questions kept on coming into my brain. So I thought, well, maybe I should try something else. So I tried a Hindu mantra, and then I tried a Christian mantra. Now, the Christian mantra that my parish priest gave me was, Jesus Christ, have mercy on me, a sinner. And to repeat this over and over again. And I watched these videos of priests and monks doing this over and over again throughout their whole day. The same mantra. And the feeling I got to myself was I felt dirty. Like, imagine if you're telling a kid to say a mantra, hey, I'm dumb. I don't know anything. And that's what you keep on saying. I'm a sinner. I'm a sinner. Have mercy on me. I'm a sinner. And it's like I said, well, to the priest, I don't like saying I'm a sinner every day because it reinforces a stereotype. I want to not be a sinner. I want to be light. How do I do that? He goes, well, eliminate the sinner portion. Now, if you want to read the history of the Jesus mantra, it was built in the 4th century or made in the 4th century. So obviously we have evolved. Pedagogically, knowledge of us has evolved. And obviously the mantra should evolve. So, okay, so I eliminated the sinner. I still didn't feel great. I still wasn't able to connect. And then as a hypnotherapist, I learned a way of doing spiritual journey. Now, let me explain the difference in terms of meditation and when you start doing spiritual journeys. Spiritual journeys is like going to university. Doing the basic mantra is like staying in kindergarten, staying dumb. When you open up with spiritual journeys, you literally open up a Google to all consciousness. It includes not only for you to access all information, it permits you to actually feel vibrations in your body. It permits you to feel divine connection with divine beings. Spiritual journey is the most powerful way to meditate. And if you're interested, please join me on this channel. I'll be sharing my meditations that you can participate. I'll be going into some of the experiences I have. We're going to have clients, we're going to have students basically explaining their experiences so that you can grow and develop spiritually. Thank you for subscribing.